Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today by reaching your arms forward, palms facing downward. Spread your fingers wide as you bend at your wrists, fingertips pointing downward. Alternate between opening your arms wide and returning to center, stretching through your wrists, hands, arms, and chest. Pausing at center, point your fingertips upward, spreading your fingers wide, flexing through your hands as you continue opening your arms wide and returning to center. Stay connected to your breath as you work to keep your arms straight, spreading your fingers wide, flexing through your hands. Pausing at center, alternate between pressing your palms away, spreading your fingers wide, flexing through your hands, fingertips pointing upward, and bending at your wrists, fingertips pointing downward. Continue with this movement, creating more mobility and flexibility in your wrists and hands. Pausing at center, hook your thumbs and reach your arms overhead. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bow to the right for a lateral stretch. Return to upright and repeat to the opposite side, keeping the weight even in your hips. Continue flowing from right to left, moving at your own pace, lifting up and out of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Continue breathing deeply as you release, returning to center. Moving into shoulder rolls, lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Transitioning into shoulder shrugs, lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release, adding a gentle shoulder stretch. Reach your right arm across your body, using your left arm to gently guide it in, reaching energetically through your right fingertips. Release and repeat to the opposite side, keeping your shoulders down and back. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your left ear towards your left shoulder and gently leaning to the left. Adding a stretch for your wrist and hand, begin to point and flex through your left hand. As you continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through the right side of your neck all the way down into your right shoulder. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Reach your right arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your right ear towards your right shoulder, gently leaning to the right. Adding movement, point and flex through your right hand, bending at your wrist. Release and return to center. Reach your arms forward. Cross your right arm in front of your left for crisscross arms. Gently press your left arm into your right and resist with your outer right arm, lifting your arm bones forward and up. Continue here or scoop your right arm under your left with the backs of your hands facing each other, or if space allows, press your hands together, fingertips pointing to the sky. Continue to send your arm bones forward and up, stretching through your shoulders and upper back. Adding movement, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, round through your upper back, drawing your elbows in towards your navel. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, re-lengthening your spine. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, round your spine, drawing your elbows in towards your navel, stretching across your upper back. Pausing in upright, release, and repeat to the opposite side. Cross your left arm in front of your right, pressing your arm bones together, lifting your elbows forward and up. Continue here, or optional to scoop your left arm under your right, with the backs of your hands facing each other, or if space allows, hands to press. Adding movement, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your elbows in towards your navel, rounding through your upper back. Inhale, return to upright, sending your arm bones forward and up. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, moving at your own pace. Pausing in upright, release, returning to center. Clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee, creating more mobility and flexibility in your joints. Pause with your right leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel. Continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, energizing through your right leg and foot. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your left leg, extend through your heel, and bend at your knee, moving at your own pace. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Point and flex through your left foot. Release, returning to center, transitioning into a gentle hip opener. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or optional to clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Slowly lift your torso to upright, returning to center. Repeating this gentle hip opener to the opposite side. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, or optional to clasp your hands beneath your chair And lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer hip. Slowly lift your torso to upright, returning to center. Moving into a gentle seated twist, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Exhale to unwind and repeat to the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Continue breathing deeply, lengthening from the base of your spine upward, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Exhale to unwind and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.